Babe? What's going on?
Yeah. We have to go.
Who is chasing you? What's wrong?
Some people, some men are after my life.
What do you mean by some men are after your life?
We have to go together.
Go where? Babe? What's going on? Who is chasing? What have you done wrong?
I don't know. The other day
The other day you what? Talk to me now. Come on, babe. Talk to me.
You really want to know?
Yes.
I found this note at my doorstep. And I think it is linked to the men who are after me.
Stay away from Aleros, else you will lose your life.
Do you by chance know who they are?
No. This is serious. I don't.
Come.
You may not kiss the bride.
$127, $128, $129, $130, $131, $132, $133, $134, $135.
Chief, I'm ready to go. My money.
Check your phone.
Ah, you made the transfer already?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Wow. 2 million. Thank you. Thank you so much, Chief. Chief. My good Chief. All right, now, bye.
Aleros, you are too sweet. Ash.
Blessing, how are you?
I'm good. The HR wants to see you.
Let me guess, she wants food.
Of course. I mean, the errand girl is not around. And she said you're the only one that knows this place.
You know what?
What?
I think I should introduce you to that spot.
Really?
Yes, because I cannot be running at a beck and call every time she needs food. There is somebody we pay for that job.
Please, I am okay with my secretary job. Don't introduce me to anywhere, please. Hurry up and go and get her food.
Please get out of my office. I'm the one who's not okay with my
Don't
dog.
keep her waiting.
This is your short gown or whatever it is you're wearing.
Don't keep her waiting.
I heard. Oh.
Hey, madam, what do you say you want?
Give me 3 plates of jollof rice and chicken.
No beans, we don't get chicken, but we get beef.
Beef, day.
Yes.
Yeah, put beef. What about salad?
No, salad.
Plantain cup.
Plantain.
Madam, now everything now.
No vex. You
yeah,
late
sell
come
like
today.
that. Sell them. Thank you.
Madam, I'm sorry. I can't find my wallet.
Sure, but you can't find your wallet.
Yes,
You dey whine me?
No, it was in my pocket. I carried it. But I.
Give my food.
Madam, what's going on?
See me, this man come buy food. I don't sell food for him finish. All of a sudden, say I can't find my wallet.
Okay, you know what? Just give him his food. I'll pay for it.
Yeah.
I will pay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Bless you too. You're welcome.
That's it.
Madam,
Thank you.
hurry up.
Thank
Oh,
you.
you're welcome.
Are you being serious right now? Okay, fine. Fine, I'll come see you. Okay.
Yeah,
right?
look who's home. Mama is
Welcome.
home. I'll tell you something.
Look, can I call you back? Just give me a few minutes. Okay?
Yes, please call her back. Because Mama is home.
So, Mama, what kept you? We have been waiting. You kept us worried.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah, about you too.
Oh, okay. Mom is really home.
Where's Alima?
Alina!
Oh. Alima, you came at the right time. This is yours.
Yes.
Tell us, how much did Chief Clement give to you that kept you till 10 a.m.?
My dear, see, Chief Clement has faded. I was just tired, so I decided to take a nap and rest.
Oh. I feel for him right now. So, what are you insinuating?
Well, what Aleros means is that Chief Clement has expired.
Baby girl is only having fun.
Tell her, baby, tell her.
I feel for him right now.
Babes.
Can I get some money from you? My mom is really on my neck. Mother's on their wahala. Honestly, I've been trying to explain to her like I don't have money this period, but she really needs the money for my sister's medical bills. Oh, I'm so sorry about your sister. So how much are we talking about? 200k should be enough. Okay. I'll make the transfer once I'm done eating, okay?
Oh, please. Oh,
Oh! You're welcome, my dear. Thank you. You're welcome. Alima, this on your mouth is longing like a parrot. Do you need anything?
well, nothing for now.
Oh, really?
But If I do, I'll let you know.
I trust you.
What?
Have you heard from your sister though?
Yeah.
She's okay, yeah?
Yeah, she's okay.
Yeah. This I took recovery. I really love this woman's food.
Oh, it was here all along. Oh man, thank God for that lady. What would I have done? Well, I guess I have 3,000 naira now. All right.
Hey babe, how are you doing?
I am fine, but I'm just a little bit stressed out because my HR is sending me all kinds of errands.
Babe, there is something I want to tell you. Can you send me 20,000 naira? I'm making my head and I don't have money.
What? Why would you go and make your hair when you don't have money? And where do you want me to get 20,000 naira from? Are you forgetting that I'm a salary earner? You of all people should know that.
Please, baby, do something. You can't let the hairdresser embarrass me, will you?
Oh. What is it?
Why are you angry? The HR wants to see you.
Again?
Yes, and right now.
Ah!
Honestly speaking, babes, I wasn't expecting it to be that easy. Like she just agreed to give me 200,000 naira, just like that.
Kai, Aleros has a heart of gold. She's not supposed to be doing this kind of business with us, you know?
I know, right?
No. You stand on the road so that they will see you and they will stop for us. You're looking so hot.
So what are you doing with all this package?
I don't understand.
Hello, pretty ladies. How are you doing? I wouldn't mind if you allow me to give you a ride. As you can see, I'm all alone here.
Thank you, Mr. Ansem, but you're waiting for a cab, okay?
Come on, it's just a friendly invite.
Okay. We're going to alight at the T junction over there. Yes.
Hop in. Let me
Alright,
give you a ride.
thank you.
All right. Okay. Yes, I'm going there.
Aleros, and that's my friend, Omolara.
Oh, Omolara. Nice meeting you. How are you? Hi. How are you?
Hi.
How are you doing?
Gideon, what are you doing here? And how did you find my place?
You see, I go extra mile for whatever I wish. Yes. I just want to be a friend. I'm a nice person, you know.
I don't have a problem with you being my friend, but what I do not like is you coming to my place uninvited.
Okay, fine. I promise it won't happen again, okay? I just want to take you out.
Call me 6 p.m.
Are you serious?
Yes.
All right.
Everything a man wants from a woman.
You know, Gideon came in as a nice guy. But then we know how it ended. Man.
And I thought everything was going on smooth and fine. She came in one evening, crying. Babe, you're crying. What's the matter? Aren't you supposed to spend the weekend with Gideon? Babe, come on, talk to me. What is the matter? Why are you crying? Babe. It's okay. It's okay, talk to me. It's okay.
He played me.
Who? What are you talking about?
Gideon.
Yeah.
Gideon moved out of his house. A security guard told me that he packed all of his things out of the house.
There is something I want to discuss with you. But I don't know. I don't know where to start from. I believe they said problem shared is a problem solved, right?
Mm-hmm. Babe, just tell me, what is it?
There is this business proposal that links an 6 million naira investment.
Mm-hmm.
But my customers are yet to pay. I don't know. I seriously need to seize this opportunity before any of my competitors grab it.
Babe?
Yeah.
Just hit the nail on the head. At this point in our relationship, your problem is my problem. So feel free and ask me anything you want.
I need about 6 million naira. I promise to pay back as soon as everything matures.
Mm-mm. That's fine. I will assist you, huh?
Are you serious with me? Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay, baby.
Thank you. You see why I love you?
Babe, I mean, how could you? No, how could you make this mistake the second time? We're talking of 6 million naira a year. How could you? No, how could you? This is not the first time this is happening to you. And you allow it to repeat itself again? Come on, babe. I wasn't expecting this from you at all. Babe, this is 6 million naira for crying out loud.
All his phones are switched off. I can't even reach him. I can't even get to him.
Tell me, babe, no. Why? Why would you even do this? How could you even trust a man again? Again, babe. I'm so mad right
Am
now.
I supposed to know he's going to take my money and leave?
Are you kidding?
How am I supposed to know that? He just asked me to borrow, which I did, and
he asked you to borrow, babe, and you borrowed him. You trusted a man. You've had his experience before, and you're having it again. Who does that? Jerry, I'm so mad. Like, this is my money.
People come and people go. All my effort to fall in love.
6 million naira.
They are all in vain.
It's been 3 years since she introduced us to this business. And ever since then, she has been treating us like her siblings. No questions asked. I see that girl is a real gem.
If anybody hurts Aleros again, that person will not survive it. In fact, that person will not live to tell the story. Wallahi.
That person would prefer never to have been born. Have you forgotten our last encounter with Smith?
I'm here. What is it?
The other day, you led the hairdresser woman to embarrass me because you were too stingy to give me 20,000. Now I'm asking for 10,000 naira. You still won't give it to me.
Okay, first of all, can you keep your voice down before you allow the whole neighbors hear us? By the way, can you even hear yourself? You went to the hairdresser to make your hair, and you call me when you're almost done. Where do you expect me to get the money from? Or did you even tell me you were going to make your hair?
Just hear yourself. Must I tell you everything? Must I? Okay, what happened about the 10,000 naira? What happened to the 10,000 I'm demanding now?
I don't have the money.
You don't have the money. That's all you always say. I don't have the money. But I know there is a woman out there you're spending your money on. For God's sake, Raja, I am your girl. It's your duty to take care of me. I'm your responsibility.
Callisto, I am trying my best. My very best, and you know it.
If I eventually find out the girl you're spending your money on, you know what I can do. Trust me. You will regret it.
Hello, Peter. Yeah, where are you? Okay, all right. Guy, I'm tired of all this. I'm tired of this whole thing. Callista's demands lately are just too much. I can't satisfy her. I want to end it all.
That's funny. You see, Raja, if there is any discussion I wouldn't want to have now, that should be talking about Callista. This is the same girl you told me that is the best woman on earth. That she's the best woman any man can have for himself. So what suddenly changed?
I don't know. Every single day She wants this. She wants that. How do I keep up with all of that? How?
Then something is wrong. Do you know her friends? Yes, I think someone must be influencing her wrongly. Yes, that's what I think.
Guy, I'm fed up. I'm done with Callisto.
Huh?
I'm fed up.
What did you just say? Raja, you can't be serious. How can you just give up like that?
You heard me right.
The Calista I know is a nice girl. That girl is a different breed. She's very nice, and I think what you need to do is to give her some time. Play her along. Okay? Blend her to the woman you want her to be. Don't give up just like that. Raja, take it easy. Take it easy.
Leave her alone. Give her a bag.
Come on, release her.
Give me that bag. Release that bag. Release that bag. Hey, give me the bag. Give me the bag.
You want collect?
Somebody help! I'm so sorry. Help! Help! Somebody help! Help! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Somebody help! Somebody help! Help! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Help!
Are you sure he's going to survive it? Is he okay?
Yes. The knife didn't get through his delicate organs. He's really a lucky man.
Please, I want you to do everything you can to make sure that he's okay. Don't worry about the bills. I will sort it out, okay?
There's no problem.
Thank you.
You will have to call any of his relatives.
Okay.
Also, he will be needing some medications.
Okay.
You'll have to pay at the pharmacy right away.
Oh, that's not bad.
All right.
Thank you. All right. So I was coming out of the club when I noticed these two guys following me. So I started walking very fast, and I got to the bus stop. There was no cab, nothing. And I started running for my life. Before I knew it, they started chasing me until they caught up with me. Bastards. I swear. What did they want from you?
So how did the good guy come into the picture?
Yeah. You see, that's the problem. I think I'm the cause of it. Because if I'd let go of my bag and not struggle with them, they would have left. And the poor boy wouldn't have gotten injured. I was busy struggling everything, and the poor guy came, and that was everything. They just stabbed him, and that was it.
That was bad.
So how is this treatment coming? Should be fine. It should be fine. I'll go there later this evening to check up on him.
I'll go with you.
Thank you. You're welcome. I should have just let them go with that bag. What was even inside the bag?
This one is temptation.
This is a very big temptation. Looking for who to steal from. Try and inside. Gotcha. So.
Who's that?
No, it's all these network providers' messages. You have one now. You don't want? Jesus Christ. 2 million naira. How? Where on earth did he get this kind of money from?
Didn't Raja say he earns 80,000 naira monthly? So where on earth did this 2 million come from? Or is Raja in any form of shady deal? Could this be the reason why he was stabbed? I think this is the best time for me to quit this relationship.
Hi. Good afternoon, Mr. Raj.
Sorry. Have I met you? Oh, you're the lady that paid my bill at the restaurant the other day.
Oh my goodness! I thought as much. I was trying to remember your face, but I couldn't place where. But I knew your face. I knew your face was familiar, but I couldn't remember where. Thank you. Thank you for saving my life.
You're the lady who was being attacked.
Yes.
Thank God those touts didn't have their way with you.
All thanks to you. Thank you so much. And thank God you came at the right time. I'm indebted to you.
Well, let's just say we're even now.
So sorry. Meet my friend Omolara. She can say hi. Hello. I hope you're okay. Do you need anything?
Yes, we are at the hospital already. Come on, babes. That guy almost lost his life saving Aleros. Yes, I think they know each other. But then trust Aleros. She already pays the hospital bills. She's really sympathetic over the young man's predicament. You know now, Aleros has a heart of gold. But then, I will not allow anyone get to her heart again. Never. You not trust your babes. I won't. It's getting better. At least he can talk. Yeah.
I'm sorry about the whole mess.
It's okay, just sit down. I have to be on my way now.
Thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I should get your number. Let me look for a pen.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. Just tell me where the pen is so I can get it.
Okay, it should be around there. I don't know where I kept my phone. Are you sure those guys didn't take it from me along with my wallet?
No. No. I saw the phone in your pocket when you were in the hospital. Yes, I saw it in your pocket. Yes, I'm so sure.
You're sure?
Yes.
In my pocket. What is this?
By the time you are reading this note, I would have been far gone away from you. I didn't know you were this heartless. You lied about your finances, never took care of me, and worst of all, lied you earned 80k monthly. Well, all those are bygone now. I have withdrawn the 2 million naira I saw in your account. And don't bother looking for your phone and wallet. I have them. With this little money, I will start a new life. Make up for all the stress you put me through. And pray I never cross your path again. Stingy boyfriend.
No, she can't do this now. She can't. This is not nice. Come on.
Sorry, can I?
Oh. All the money that I've saved, put together for the past 2 years and 4 months.
2 million naira.
It is 2,350,000 naira.
I'm so sorry.
Didn't you hear what I said? I said, this is my blood and my sweat for the past almost 2.5 years. What are you? Took my money like that. Oh, this door.
Hey Raja.
Hey, listen.
The HR would love to see you.
The HR.
Yes. Right now.
Oh, not again. Why does she want it? I'm behind you.
Okay.
Anyway, feels good to be back, huh? They can't lay me off like that. What did I do? What did I do?
Raja, you know it's all your fault. I mean, where were you for almost 3 good weeks? You didn't even call.
For God's sake, I was hospitalized.
Jesus. You were sick?
I was attacked by hoodlums.
Oh my God.
I almost lost my life. Blessing, what is it? What's that look on your face?
Someone called the office with your line. And the person said you guys went on a vacation. Wait, you're not aware of that?
Callista. Callista, what have you done? What is wrong with this girl?
Who is Callista?
I'll talk to you later.
Please take care of yourself. Yeah, take it easy.
Looking for me?
What are you doing here?
Well, so I heard that you lost your job a few hours ago. So I decided to come see you.
Well, I don't remember giving you my company address.
Let's say I have my own way of finding whomever I please. Okay, your secretary gave me your address.
Blessing.
Mm-hmm. Don't worry, she's my cousin. Remember when you were telling me where you worked, and I remembered, oh, I have a cousin who works in the same company, so I decided to call her to find more about you, which she did. She gave me loads of information. Yeah, so I need to take you out.
To take me out? Why?
Because I know you have a lot in your head, and I want you to unwind, okay? Let's go. Don't worry, you can drop your bag in my car, okay?
I've fallen in love with you. I tell you it's my heart. This is what I want. You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love. I can let you go, cause I've fallen for you. Please, my baby, don't let the past weigh you down, cause you will wear my crown. I will make you my queen, cause I don't care who you are or where you're from. falling in love with you. I tell you with all my heart, this is what I want. You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love. I can't let you go, cause I've fallen for you. Please, my baby, don't let the past weigh you down, cause you will wear my crown. I will make you my queen, cause I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as you and I love each other, I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as you and I love each other, we good to go. Yeah, we good to go, baby. We good to go. Hey, we good to go. You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love. I can't let you go, cause I've fallen for you. Please, my baby, don't let the past weigh you down, cause you will wear my crown. I will make you my queen, cause I don't care who you are or where you're from.
Yeah. Tell me anything good about you.
Well, it depends on your definition of good.
Ah, okay. The thing is, I don't want you to go back home, sit down all day doing nothing, get bored, and then start misbehaving.
By misbehaving, what do you mean?
Oh, come on. You're smarter than that, I know. You know what I mean, huh? Yes, you do. Right. Let's go back inside the pool.
Oh, no need to direct you.
You have shown me what it really means to love.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for everything, Alera. No woman has given me this kind of treat before.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You saved my life. And for that, I am indebted to you.
Well, since you know so much about me, tell me about yourself. What do you do?
I'm a runs girl.
Wait, what? Oh my God, you play too much, Alera. Anyway, thanks for the gift and the clothes and everything. I should get going.
Okay.
All right then.
Mm-hmm.
See you some other time.
Mm-hmm.
Perhaps.
Sorry, wait. You can get a new phone with that, and the remaining money, you can use it to sustain yourself till you find yourself another job.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Alera.
You're welcome.
All right. I better be going.
Okay.
All right. I guess I see you around, perhaps.
Sure you will.
Okay.
Bye.
I've fallen in love with you. I tell you with all my heart. This is what I want. You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love.
When did you enter? I didn't even notice. You scared me. Where were you? Senator Phillips said he has been calling you non-stop, but then you were not taking or returning any of his calls. I had an appointment that I needed to attend to. An appointment? Or you were with that guy? What guy are you talking about? Aleros, please don't play dumb with me. I saw you. Yes, I followed you guys to the boutique. And then you drove him down to Promsy's hotel. Aleros, what has come over you? What is it? What? I don't understand. Are you now trailing me? Come on, that is not the question. What is wrong with you? There's obviously nothing wrong with me. Aleros. Aleros. Aleros! Honestly speaking, I know where you're driving at. But the thing is that I'm just trying to be nice, that's all. You've been nice enough to have visited him at the hospital. You paid his hospital bills. You even cared for him until he was able to stand on his feet. That is enough. That's being nice enough. So what are you trying to say? Wait, are you trying to direct my life? No. I would do no such thing. Aleros, trust me, this is coming from a place of concern. You know what happened to you when you fell in love with Gideon? He broke your heart and ran away with your money. I don't want that to repeat itself. Honestly, it hurts me to see you get hurt. Thank you for your concern. Wait, is that all you have to say? Thank you for your concern. That is all you have to say, like what seriously? What do you have me say? I'm an adult. I know what I'm doing. Please stop sounding like my grandma. Oh. I'm not here to play the role of your grandmother. And yes, you are an adult. But then things don't happen to an adult repeatedly. When your plan A fails, you fall back to your plan B. You don't allow your plan A to keep reoccurring in your life. Adults!
I've fallen in love with you. I tell you with all my heart. This is what I want. You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love. I can let you go, cause I've fallen for you.
Mama, you won't come out.
Please, my baby, don't let the past weigh you down, cause you will wear my crown. I will make you my queen, cause I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as you and I love each other, I don't care who you are or where you're from.
Wait now.
Go, go.
As long as it's alive,
Mama.
love each
Mama.
other, we good to go. Yeah, we good to go, baby.
Mama.
Aleros is falling in love with that guy out of pity. And we both know what that means.
She's going to fall with her head. And he's going to eat her money. Eventually, scamper with the money and break her heart.
It's the third time this is happening. Yet, Aleros has refused to learn.
We will not allow this happen for the fourth time. We need to act really fast. I think we should call Max.
You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love. I can let you go, cause I've fallen for you. Please, my baby, don't let the past weigh you down, cause you will wear my crown. I will make you my queen, cause I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as you and I love each other, I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as it's alright, love each other, we good to go. Yeah, we good to go, baby. We good to go. Hey, we good to go. Hey, I've fallen in love with you. I'll tell you with all my heart. This is what I want. You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love. I can let you go, cause I've fallen for you. Please, my baby, don't let the past weigh you down, cause you will wear my crown. I will make you my queen, cause I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as you and I love each other, I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as it's alright, love each other, we good to go. Yeah, we good to go, baby. We good to go. Hey, we good to go. Yeah, we good to go, baby. We good to go. Hey, we good to go.
Hey, babe. Hey. There's no spices in the kitchen.
Oh, that.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you can find, I'm sure it's finished.
Oh. Can you please go get some for me?
Of course.
Please.
You don't even have to ask twice. All right, let me go now.
Alright.
All right.
Alright. Love you. Hurry up and come back, huh?
You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you.
them in the front, go! Get them! Get them!
Is Raja not back now? What's taking him time? Oh, he didn't go with his phone. Oh. What's wrong now? Why is he not back yet? It's taking forever to come back.
Solidarity forever. 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 For the union is again. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For the union is strong. Again. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Babe? What's going on?
Yeah. We have to go.
Who is chasing you? What's wrong?
Some people, some men are after my life.
What do you mean by some men are after your life?
We have to go together.
Go where? Babe? What's going on? Who is chasing? What have you done wrong?
I don't know. The other day
The other day you what? Talk to me now. Come on, babe. Talk to me.
Do you really want to know?
Yes.
I found this note at my doorstep. And I think it is linked to the men who are after me.
Stay away from Aleros, else you lose your life.
Do you by chance know who they are?
No, this is serious. I don't.
Come.
Are you looking for someone? What are you doing behind my house?
I'm looking for someone.
Who, please?
Never mind.
Is there someone you're looking for?
Don't worry.
What you're doing now doesn't make sense. Trust me. You cannot continue to beat yourself over nothing. After all, you barely know this guy. You don't even know who he is. You just met him. For real?
Listen, he's innocent of whatever it is. I saw it in his eyes. He doesn't seem like a bad person at all.
Babe, can you just call Senator? I mean, you've not taken his call for the past 2 days. And he's worried. Do you want to miss your most paying client?
It's enough. Enough of this. See, I'm not in the mood for any sexual exercise. I have a lot in my mind. That's not what is doing me right now. You can wait for all I care.
It's clearly obvious you don't learn from your mistakes. Can you just drink and stop all this?
Raja, what is it? You're beginning to scare me. What is it?
I am fine. I'm fine.
What is it?
Listen, I understand that Aleros is your cousin, right? I need to know who your cousin is.
Yes, she's my cousin, but why do you ask?
I just need to know what kind of person is she what kind of person she is, what she does, who she's associated with, everything.
Why are you asking me all this? What's wrong?
Oh man. You really want to know?
Yes.
Okay. Your cousin and I are dating.
Oh.
And as I speak to you right now, there are men, hired men, after my life.
Are you serious?
And I am very sure it is because of her.
How sure are you? I mean, you can't just assume when you're not even sure. What happened? Did anything happen?
Tell me, please. This information I'm asking you is very vital to my survival. I'm begging you.
Raja, well, if you must know, Aleros is a prostitute.
So she was saying the truth.
See, Aleros brought me to Lagos. She introduced me to her line of business. But when I couldn't do it, she got me a better job with my BSc qualification. The rest you already know.
Yes, I know, okay, but I need to know who she's associated with, everything that you need to tell me. Please, it's very important.
This is all I can say about her. There's nothing else.
Do you know any of her past relationships?
Yes. I know of her 3 failed relationships. I mean, these men came into her life acting like they love her, showing her love and affection and all that. And at the end of the day, they run away with her money. That's the only thing I know about Aleros.
So, if she's had 3 failed relationships, the person doing this might just be trying. Yes. Be trying to protect her.
You have a point.
Who are her friends?
She has 3 friends.
3 friends.
Omolara, Aleros' bestie. They are both fashionable in their choice of dressing. It was Aleros who introduced her into the runs business. But she's very mean. She has all the keys to getting into a man's heart, but she never loves them. She is so heartless and hates men. For her, it's just for the money. Halima, though Hausa, but raised in Benin. She's more of a Benin girl than Hausa. She loves cute-looking men. She sleeps with them with one sole aim, steals their money and gets away.
Hi, Aleros. It's me. Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay. I think I know who's after me. Yes. Meet me at the Vibes, 6 p.m. this evening. All right, thank you.
People come and people go. All my effort to fall in love, they are all in vain. Now I find someone my heart beats for, the one that gives joy to my soul. They tell me Senna's come, fighting my battles for me.
Do you really want to go? Alima, I don't know what to think at this moment. I just want to find out who is after him. That's all. Are you coming with me? See you.
Where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Please come back to me. Do not leave me alone. Where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Do not leave me alone. Please come back to me. Easy come, easy go. The life that I'm living today.
I miss you. Prince Raja Odometa.
Alima, what are you talking about?
Prince Raja! Oh my God.
What are you talking about? Stand up. He's not a prince.
It's an honor meeting you, sir. My prince.
Raj?
Alero, please. You have to take it easy.
Like, how dare you? Lara, how dare you? The last time I checked, I did not make you my security guard.
Look, Alero, honestly, I was only looking out for you. Have you forgotten what happened with Gideon? I don't want any man coming to toy with your heart. Honestly, I did it out of love, nothing more, and I'm sorry about it.
Out of love? And that was how you almost got the poor guy killed. Now tell me, who made you the judge of my life? Huh? Listen, this is my life, and you have no right whatsoever to do what you did to him.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Alero, please forgive me. Do you remember how we almost lost our lives in the hands of Smith and his co-ritualists? That fateful night, do you remember? What would you have us do?
And that was why the both of you plotted against him? Listen, I am disappointed at the both of you. I am very disappointed at the both of you. Now I want the both of you to leave my house this minute.
Aleros.
Aleros what? Don't you dare allow me! Nonsense! That is almost getting the poor boy killed.
Easy come, easy go. The life that I'm living today, a life for rent. People come and people go. All my effort to fall in love, they are all in vain. Hey, now I find someone my heart beats for, the one that gives joy to my soul. They tell me sinners come, fighting my battles for me. Now who sent them? I don't want all this. What I need right now is true love. Don't let them scare you away. Whoa, where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Please come back to me. Do not leave me alone. Where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Do not leave me alone. Please come back to me. Easy come, easy go. The life that I'm living today, a life for rent. People come and people go. All my effort to fall in love, they are all in vain. Hey, now I find someone my heart beats for, the one that gives joy to my soul. They tell me sinners come, fighting my battles for me. Now who sent them? I don't want all this. What I need right now is true love. Don't let them scare you away. Whoa, where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Please come back to me. Do not leave me alone. Where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Do not leave me alone. Please come back to me. Hey. People come and people go. All my effort to fall in love, they are all in vain. Hey, now I find someone my heart beats for, the one that gives joy to my soul. They tell me sinners come, fighting my battles for me. Now who sent them? I don't want all this. What I need right now is true love. Don't let them scare you away. Whoa, where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Please come back to me. Do not leave me alone.
I did find the longest
Where
time.
are you?
Is Aleros in?
My madam, she didn't say. Auntie, my madam been tell me say.
Don't worry, we spoke over the phone, okay? It's fine. It's fine.
Auntie.
People come and people go. All my effort to fall in love, they are all in vain. Hey, now I find someone my heart beats for, the one that gives joy to my soul. They tell me sinners come, fighting my battles for me. Now who sent them? I don't want all this. What I need right now is true love. Don't let them scare you away. Whoa, where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Please come back to me. Do not leave me alone. Where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat?
Give it to me. Give it.
Alero, this is what I was fighting. is what I was trying to avoid. You cannot keep doing this to yourself, you know, right? You can't.
It's gone. It's gone. I didn't even get a chance to know him. I didn't.
Alero, if he truly loves you, he will definitely come back for you. Okay? So in the meantime, you need to stand up and get it together. Okay? Senator Phillips has been calling me non-stop. He wants to talk to you. You need to talk to him. Okay? Get up from this mood. Please.
I'm not in the mood to talk to him. You can tell him whatever it is you want to tell him.
We'll have a fight. A big one.
Come here.
I'm sorry, okay?
It's gone.
Calm down.
It's
Calm down, just calm down, okay?
Easy go. The life that I'm living today, a life for rent. People come and people go. All my effort to fall in love, they are all in vain. Now I find someone my heart beats for, the one that gives joy to my soul. They tell me sinners come, fighting my battles for me. Now who's in them? I don't want all this. What I need right now is true love. Don't let them scare you away. Whoa. Where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Please come back to me. Do not leave me alone. Where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Do not leave me alone. Please come back to me. Easy come, easy go. The life that I'm living today, a life for rent. People come and people go. All my effort to fall in love, they are all in vain. Now I find someone my heart beats for, the one that gives joy to my soul. They tell me sinners come, fighting my battles for me. Now who's in them? I don't want all this. What I need right now is true love. Don't let them scare you away. Whoa. Where are you, my love? Where are you, my heartbeat? Please come back to me. Do not leave me alone.
I love you, Alero. And I want to spend the rest of my life proving it to you.
But you don't know me, Raj.
You cannot be worse than the women I have met. I'm sorry about all of this. This disguise. I did what I had to do. I did what was necessary to do. To find a good woman, a honest one, a woman who's kind, humble, down to earth. The previous women in my life, they were with me because of status. All of this All of them were with me because of the money.
I don't deserve you.
Don't say that. I don't deserve you. The first time we spoke, you told me the truth. You were honest. You were real. Regardless of how bitter it sounds, without even thinking. And that is a virtue all of the money in the world cannot buy. You showed me. You took care of me. And all I am asking for is a chance to show you how loving I can be.
Falling in love with you, I tell you with all my heart. This is what I want. You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love. I've fallen in love with you. I tell you with all my heart. This is what I want. You have captured my heart, and I have fallen in love with you. You have shown me what it really means to love. I can let you go, 'cause I've fallen for you. Please, my baby, don't let the past weigh you down, 'cause you will wear my crown. I will make you my queen, 'cause I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as you and I love each other, I don't care who you are or where you're from. As long as you and I love each other, good to go. Yeah, we good to go, baby. We good to go. Hey, we good to go. Hey, I've fallen in love with you. I tell you with all my heart. This is what I want. You